we don't deal with the climate, with emissions, with the production of fossil fuels, there's no future for nature. That at the same time, if we don't partner with nature, we won't be able to control climate change. So that synergy is critical. I think this year of the 3 COPs at the same time will be also another year where the synergies between the 3 will be evident. And that comes together in the finance and comes together in the actual action on the ground, where we hope all these stakeholders would pull their voice up and we can create a more open process.